The Drawing and Text tool is available in the Tools drop-down menu. Once opened, the tool can be repositioned anywhere on the screen. At the top of the Drawing and Text window is the Interactions toolbar. This toolbar is divided into 4 groups: Selection, Drawing, Undo Redo, and Snapping. In the Selection group, there are 3 methods of selection to be able to select existing graphic elements. The default method is Select Feature, which lets you select individual graphics. The second method is Select by Rectangle, which allows you to draw a box outline of which graphics to select. The third method is Select by Lasso, which allows you to draw a custom selection path on the map, and any graphics contained within the lasso area are selected. In the Drawing group, there are 5 drawing tools: points, lines, polygons, rectangles, and circles. Points, lines, and polygons all use a succession of mouse clicks to define the vertices of the graphic. For rectangles and circles, you will click and drag the mouse to create the shape. For rectangles, you can hold down the Shift key to draw a perfect square. For circles, you can hold down the Shift key to draw ellipsoids. You may also adjust the fill color, fill opacity, along with the outline color, width, and outline opacity for any shape. You can continue to adjust these values up until the point the graphic drawing is completed. The third group of buttons allows for the ability to undo or redo a drawing step while the line or polygon is still being drawn. The final group of buttons allows for the ability to adjust the drawing tool's snapping behavior. The first section provides you with the ability to determine which options are available for snapping. The second option provides you with the ability to decide if graphics should be used for snapping too. The drawing tool also comes with the ability to adjust the position, shape, or size of existing graphics on the screen after they have already been drawn. Select any graphic with a selection tool. Any graphics that have been selected will be given an orange control outline. While this outline is present, you can adjust the size and position of the selected graphic. If you hold down the Shift key while resizing, you can keep the dimensions of the graphic proportionate to each other. You may also rotate any selected graphics by using the circle at the top of the selection area. Please note that the rotation feature does not apply to textual elements. An advanced feature of the drawing tool is the ability to completely alter the look of a shape. To do this, click on any of the vertices in a selection box. This will change the selection outline to now reflect the equalized vertices of the shape. From here, you can reposition any of the vertices to alter the look of the shape. Once you are finished, click an open area of the map to deselect any selected graphics. The ability to add text works in conjunction with the Draw a Point tool. Switching to the Text tab will open a new menu. To add text to the map, simply enter your text, set your styling and other options, then use the Draw a Point tool. As your mouse moves over the map, you will get a preview. You can continue to adjust the text and other properties until the moment you click the map. Once the map is clicked, the text will be placed on the map. As a final note, all graphics and text that have been added to the map can continue to be adjusted even after the drawing and text window is closed.